Hey everyone, it's day 0 of organizing and I have just taken out all my cubes from the cave of ancient things, and today I finally learned to solve the 5x5. So this Barpeta winter cube open video will be some kind more of a vlog type, and I didn't do vlogs on my channel so far I can remember, so this is something new, just for experimentations, and I will try to cover all the organizing stuff and all. So hope you like this style of video. So now we are in the printing shop and here are the postcards for chief guest being printed, one more to go. So yeah, hey everyone, so here is the organizers room once again, and here are all the medals. No, let's keep it a secret for the competition day. So here are the timers, timer display. Here are the timers and mats. Here are the podium prize from Cubelelo, and in that last box there is one surprise element. So everyone, it's the co-founders room. Here we have already the schedule printed out, the ones for registration forms, some calculations, and then this is the setup. Soon we'll be starting to design the certificates and banners and everything. So yeah, see you soon. So everyone, it's the organizers room once again. So here is my Chromebook opening, but this PC is not working, out of signal, power surge, I don't know what surge, and so we have just completed the standee for entry gate. Hope it will be looking good. At least for me it's gorgeous.
All, I would like to thank Team Barpeta Winter Cube Open for organizing such a wonderful event. ये इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करके मुझे अपना बचपन का भी याद आ गया, बिकॉज वी वर द फर्स्ट पर्सन जो इंडिया में क्यूब कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए थे.
While cleaning the chairs, after cleaning 4 times, 5 times, the chairs were not getting cleaned. So we decided to make a joke of ourselves in a very humorous way with this. Einstein said that chairs might look dirty, but they are not. Believe me. Thank you so much. Signing off.